looking at a waterproof speaker here. Love the handle. This is a USB plug. This is how long it is. Standard for charging. There's a jack. The rubber piece there. Bring that into there. It's waterproof up to 1 meter for about 30 minutes. Can withstand rain. That's the IP67 rating, but that's never been tested for salt water, so I wouldn't take it to the beach though myself and leave it out in the sand, especially with this type of cloth. You have extra bass on it as well. I had it up the loudest when I came on. You can turn the extra bass off. Has 360-degree sound. Has a subwoofer down here. Has actually 5 speakers to this. Your active speakers in the front and back. And on the side, you have your passive speakers. They're just a cone without the magnet. But when the air gets vibrating in here, which it really starts to shake, they act just like a real magnetic speaker. So this is a 5-speaker system. Normal sound frequencies and everything comes from the side. So when they say 360-degree sound, they mean it. And even the bottom. So I think that's really cool. Excuse me. Everything up here is rubberized. Bluetooth 5.0 connection. Great connection. Long range. All that stuff. Newest and latest Bluetooth. I love how it just has the on button, the plus and minus for the sound, extra bass when you want it. The bottom also has the rubberized grip. I even like that just because, you know, it sits solid. The output of this is great. I would describe it as a speaker that's great for a small to medium-sized room. It can feel that really nice. Has that type of output. So if you pair two, I would imagine it would be much greater, and you have the capability of doing that with the speaker. Yeah, it has me tempted too. Here's the rubberized handle. I love that. The cloth on here feels very durable. It doesn't feel like you're going to scratch it picking it up. So I really like that. If you see that there. And it's solid. You're not going to hurt the speakers. The tones are nicely protected in there. So, yeah, I think this is absolutely a fabulous speaker and how it performs. Works great in those medium to small rooms. And even turn down low volume, you always have to be blasting it. When you turn it down to low volume, the sound of the instruments and things are absolutely incredible. You know, I would rate this up there with small speakers for the size of it and that. So, you know, some of that, right up there with the top brands. So I really like this one. I think it just feels fabulous. And the company did a great job making this. They really did. And there it is, portable, wireless. Oh, I forgot to mention the battery there as well. See the size of the battery? That battery there lasts for 24-hour battery life. That's probably about 50% of the volume in those things. So 5 speakers in a system. To have it be somewhat waterproof as well. You don't have to worry about it if it gets caught in the rain or something. And for the size, the handle, the netting, this is just a superb speaker. Very impressed with it. And yeah, just wanted to show it to you because I like it that much.